Hello everyone, I am Akshay Rathod. Welcome to Coding Venture. Today in this video we are going to see how to install PostgreSQL and PgAdmin to work and start our new course about SQL in Windows 10 operating system. For this, first of all, open your browser, search for Postgres. The first website you can see here, it is from the postgresql.org. It is the official website of PostgreSQL. According to the time you are watching this video, this landing page may have been changed for you for PostgreSQL. You can see here PostgreSQL is the world's advanced open source relational database. For downloading PostgreSQL, you have two options. First, you can click on this download button here. Otherwise, you can find the download button at the top in the navigation menu. I'm just going to click on the download button. Here you can see various operating systems where you can install your PostgreSQL database. Example, Linux, macOS, Windows, BSD and Solaris. So we are going to install PostgreSQL for Windows. So you have the option which is installer from EDB, that is enterprise database. So you can see here there are various PostgreSQL versions such as PostgreSQL 14, 13 and so on. And if your operating system is 32-bit operating system, you can use PostgreSQL 10 or below. So choose according to your versions. Okay, so just go and click on the download installer button. Here you will be redirected to the EDB's enterprise database page. Okay, download PostgreSQL and you can see various types of version. So for me, I am going to download the latest version of SQL PostgreSQL, that is 14.4, and for Windows operating system, here Windows x86 64-bit operating system. So I'm just going to click. You can see on the bottom left side of your Chrome browser, you can see the database is going to be downloaded here. It's near about 300 MB. So here the database is downloaded successfully. I'm going to open it. It will be in downloads folder here. I'm just going to cut the database from download folders, just dropping it here in my application folder. So for this, for installing the PostgreSQL database, double click on the exe file. A Windows wizard will appear that do you want to install this program to your system? Yes, I want to install this program. I am minimizing all by Control M or Windows M. So here PostgreSQL database installation wizard appear. So setup for PostgreSQL. Click on the next button. You will see the directory where it has to be created. So it is created under the program files PostgreSQL and the database version. Okay, I don't have any objection for this path, so I am going to click on the next. This is the important thing. Here you need to install all the four things, that is PostgreSQL server, PgAdmin, stack builder and command line tool for the PostgreSQL. So click on the next button. It will ask you for the data directory. It means the database which you are creating, they are stored under a specific directory called data directory, and that data directory is under C program files, PostgreSQL and data. So I don't have any objection for these two. So click on the next button. This is the important part. If you forget the password, you have to reinstall the database. So for the learning purpose, I am going to keep my password simple password, that is password in all small cases. Okay, click on the next. Here it will show you on which port you can access the PostgreSQL database. So for me it will be 5432. In most of the cases, if you have installed PostgreSQL database previously, then you can see some other ports. Click on the next. setup is ready and it is going to install the PostgreSQL database. Okay, so here the database is installed successfully and it will ask you, do you want to launch the stack builder for now? But no, we don't want to install launch it now. So click on the finish button. So we have completed the first stage of installing PostgreSQL. Now let's go and install the PgAdmin. The second step should be PgAdmin. So you need to search for PgAdmin and the first link you will be redirected if there is no ad. So you can see it's from pgadmin.org. So click on the tool. You can see the PgAdmin website here. Actually, PgAdmin is a graphical user interface to interact with our SQL database, and it is the web-based tool. So it will open the GUI interface in your browser. So if you want to download, you can download it from either here on the navigation bar download button or a short link here. So click on the link for the download. So you can see you can download PgAdmin for two different versions. First is for older version of Windows that you have 32-bit Windows version or previous version. So you can download the tool from here. Otherwise you can download it from here. You can see it is available for various types of systems like Mac OS, Container, Python, APT, RPM, and you can also download the source code from Git and so on. But I want download it for Windows, so just click on the Windows. Now PgAdmin for Windows, you can see here various download options are available and they are nothing but the different releases. So I am going to download the latest release of PgAdmin tool. So here PgAdmin 4 version 6.11 released on 30th June of 2022. So just click on this file browser. Okay, so here we need to download the exe file. You can see here which is executable file. Otherwise you can download some installer wizard, and you can distinguish it here because the exe file is the biggest one, that is 168.3 MB. So I am going to click on the PgAdmin exe file. So PgAdmin exe file is going to be downloaded here. It depends on your internet speed how much it will take to download. Meanwhile I am going to pause the video. So here our PgAdmin tool is downloaded successfully. So navigate the tool in your downloads directory of Windows. So here you can see, okay, you can see the PgAdmin. I am just going to cut this tool from downloads directory and paste it in my applications folder. It's depend on you how you manage your resources in your computer. So for installing the PgAdmin tool, just double click on the PgAdmin exe file that you have downloaded. So here it will ask you for the specific user. Okay, it will install for one user only or it will install for all users. So it's my system, so I am going to install it for all users. So it will pop up in a window. Do you want to install this? Yes, I want to install the PgAdmin tool. Okay, now a beautiful pop-up will come in your Windows screen. So welcome to the PgAdmin 4 setup wizards. Okay, so just click on the next button. Here you can read the terms and condition and accept the terms and conditions. So click on the next. Here it will show you where it is going to install all its directory, and it is going to install its files and directories in program files pgadmin/version. Okay, I don't have any objections with it. So click on the next button. It will ask you what it should be called in the start menu. It should be PgAdmin 4. Okay, so click on the next. Okay, and click on the install. So it will take some time to install. So let's wait for the time. So here you can see the PgAdmin tool is installed. So I'm just going to click on the finish button. So in this way we have installed PgAdmin and PostgreSQL successfully. So just go on start button and search for PgAdmin. Here you can see you can install the two ways. First, the one is the app, and we need to open the app, otherwise it will reopen the executable file every time. So PgAdmin. So PostgreSQL is started, and here it will ask password for PgAdmin, so you can set a master password. So I am going to go with normal password, that is all small cases password. Click on the OK, and here you can see the PostgreSQL or PgAdmin database. It's the dashboard you can see here. Here for server, it will show you the the database which is already installed. Please enter the password for Postgres to connect the server, that is Postgre 14 that we have already installed. So enter the password. It is the password which we have set up in while installing our Postgres database. So you can see the database sign is changed to a symbol of this elephant, which gives the statistics of about our PostgreSQL database. You can see the various PID connections and various statistics of our database as a dashboard. So I want to work with the database which I have already used. So for this I want to restore my database, and I want to create a database. The database name should be MyDB, owner should be PostgreSQL, that is admin owner, and I just want if you want to comment something here, you can comment and just click on the save. You can see one new database is created under the database tab, that is MyDB. Okay, I want to restore this database, so right click on the MyDB and click on the restore. Here, utility file not found, please connect with the binary path of the preferences. So in this video we are going to set up the binary path for the PostgreSQL. For this, open your PgAdmin. I have already opened, and log in into your PgAdmin. Click on the file and go in preferences. Here in preferences you can see the binary tab under the paths. Scroll a little bit downward and our database will be PostgreSQL 14. So here we need to set up the binary path. So what we can do to find the binary path, go into your this PC, click the files where you have installed the PostgreSQL. In my case it will be under C directory, program files, and in program files you can see PostgreSQL 14 binary. So here this is the path, so copy the path, go it here, cancel this and here click C program files PostgreSQL PostgreSQL/14/bin and just save the path. Okay, so let's try. We are able to use our database. So create, you can see the restore database. Okay, yeah, good, it's now here. So I want to search the file which I want to restore in my database, and it will be in downloads folder. I want to open the downloads, and here dvd rental.tar file, click on the select, name, number of the jobs I don't want to specify, data objects nothing, and option nothing to specify. So just click on the restore tab. Here it shows running, successfully compiled. So it seems successfully compiled. So go in your database, click and refresh the database. Here I can close this, and now to see our database is successful, go in your query tool. The query tool will be open. It is the tool where we can query our database. So for this I am going to fire a query, select star from films. Okay, and yeah, let's run the query. It will show error. I think the table name is film, and here you can see the table with the name of film. So this is the table with the name of films. You can see messages, notification and schema. So in this way we can use the PgAdmin tool for using our PostgreSQL database. If you have any question, please ask the question in the comment section below. Till then, happy coding.